It's a big tub and a toner. There is a electric box standing by the machine. It's the control system. You can see there is a touch screen on it. It's a work table. It stretches out about 1.3 meters long. In the feeding chair, you can see this one is a stop blocks. It can be pressed down and or stretch out. It comes with some pressure, and the pressure could be adjusted through the screen. The bill can be lifted by motors through the touch screen. This is a machine bed. It's made of casting iron. Now we talk about the working weight system. You can see there are two linear guideway on the bed, and there is a ball screw, and there is a servo motor. Make us get different working weights. You can see there are 4 spindles. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4 spindles. Each side has 4 spindles. Another side also have 4 spindles. So this machine have 8 spindles in total. First, when the first spindle is butter spindle, used for saw, and the second is top spindle, used to cut off. The third is a mini spindle. The last one also mini spindle. And we can see the first spindle and the third spindle. Yeah, you can see this is a cylinder devices. It makes the first one and the third one makes the 2 spindle have the jump count function. Prevent the cutting from breaking. We will give you a short about the whole machine. Yeah, you can see when you come to the machine, just click the button on the touch screen. You see the workpiece put on the feeding chain and against the stop blocks. Now feeding in. Now you can see we make some turn. You can see this is made by this machine. The 2 sides. So this machine can use for making the tool and use for cutting the edge and use for making tender and making body. Yeah, look at the stop blocks. The water piece against this. This is a side fence. When you put a work piece on the building chain, one of the side of the work piece must close to this. Now we will show the adjustment of the working width. Look at the touch screen. When we put the number, put in the number. Now the mover the work table moves automatically. You can see the full screen rotated. by this servo motor.